Today we're testing the Big Horns outdoor pizza oven to see if this baby actually delivers. Let's go. So let's go over our ingredients real quick. Today we're just doing pepperoni pizza because that's the type of pizza I love. I like just pepperoni. So back here we're using the pre-made pizza dough. Now guys, you can make your own pizza dough. It's totally up to you. Me personally, I haven't mastered making pizza dough yet, so I'm gonna stick with the pre-made. It works just as well for our pizza oven. And remember, it's not about the pizza dough, it's about hitting those high temperatures and how well this oven can deliver pizza in 90 seconds. So back here we have our wings, mozzarella, pepperoni, pizza sauce, black pepper. We have a little buffalo sauce for our wings and some seasoned salt for our wings. So I'm gonna show you guys how to make wings and pizza right here in our Big Horn outdoor pizza oven. All right, let's get to it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna season our wings. We're not gonna get too crazy with our wings because it's really not about the wings, it's about the oven. So we're gonna drizzle this with a little olive oil, but you still know the Wing King ain't making no bad wings, so remember that as well. Add our seasoned salt, our black pepper, and we're gonna get a quick mix. Get those wings heavily coated. We just want a little flavor on them wings. That looks good. So we're just gonna move this to the side just a little bit. We're gonna bring over our cast iron skillet. This is a little small cast iron skillet. I'm gonna hit it with a little cooking spray. And I'm gonna start placing our wings in here. Just like that, guys. That looks great. So we're just gonna set this aside, bring over our pizza dough, and I already have it sitting on a pizza peeler, and I sprinkled some cornmeal on the bottom of our pizza peeler. That way it slides off easy. Now we're just gonna start building out our pizza. Lightly put some sauce around here. We're gonna come across that with our cheese. Next, we're gonna add our pepperoni. And listen, I'm a pepperoni guy, I'm not gonna even lie. I love me some pepperoni. And you already know, guys, I gotta make this baby pepperoni-y. Just like that. So now we're gonna head out to our pizza oven to get it warmed up. All right, so now we're at our Big Horn outdoor pizza oven. We're gonna talk a little bit about this pizza oven before we heat it up. And just to let you know, I've tested it out already a couple of times, so you may notice it has been pre-used already. But let's talk a little bit about this pizza oven. So right here, it comes with a detachable door right here that's easily removed like that and actually easy to replace. So we're gonna set this down for a second. As you can see, you have your pizza stone in here. And guys, of course, as I told you, I've used this a couple times, so the pizza stone doesn't look new. It's also removable. You can pull it out and wash it as needed. We're gonna put that baby back in. Put our door back in. You see how the door just goes in perfectly? If you take a look right here, they have foldable legs like that, so you can fold the legs in. Really, really nice balance. And right here you have your chimney. Now you can actually remove this right here if you want. You typically want to put this on just in case you're outside and it's raining. That way your rain don't fall inside of your chimney pipe. And when you're not using it, you can put this inside to cover it up like that. And it's also doubled as a pellet scooper where you can scoop your pellets and put it into your pellet chute over here that we're gonna go to next. So I'm gonna put this back on here. I don't know, I just like this little chimney. I'm gonna cook mine with the chimney on it. So this is the back of our pizza oven. Right here you have an ashtray right here that catches your ashes right here. You can easily slide it off, dump your ashes, and put it back and slide it in like that. And also right here you have your pellet box right here. It comes with this handle here, so you don't have to touch this and pull it out. You just take this handle, stick it under here, and it slides out easily. Inside this, you have your pellet grid right here, and you just easily put that back in here just like that. Now, I'm gonna show you something real quick, but we're not gonna use this feature today, and that's the electric feature. So we're gonna remove this. We're gonna sit it up there. And this pizza oven comes with an electric element like this, so you can go from pellet to electric and also go to gas if you have the gas attachment as well. But I only have the electric and the pellet. All thing you do is you slide that baby in like this. Slides in easy. And with these screws right here, you just line them up and you just screw this baby in. And all you do now, you take this plug and you just plug it up, and it has a low function, mid function, and a high function. And you're good to go. But again, like I said, we're not using the electric element today. So I'm going to unscrew this, and we're gonna go back to our pellet function. As I unscrew it, watch how easy it slides out. Just like that, guys. Now, having seen what you just saw, if you love pizza the way I love pizza, you're gonna wanna see this demonstration. This Bighorn's 12-inch multi-fuel pizza oven, I'm telling you, it gets serious. This pizza oven hits 750 degrees in less than 20 minutes, and it's gonna cook your pizza in around 90 seconds. That is way faster than your regular oven. And you know what stands out most to me is the flexibility. If you want that wood fire flavor, use the pellets. If you're in a rush and you're cooking on your balcony, switch over to the electric or the gas version with attachments. No tools, just swap and go. You could cook anytime and anywhere. And you know what else? It's not just about pizza. It's about steaks. It's about wings. It's about salmon, roasted veggies, all with that high heat wood fire finish. So if you're interested, click the link below in the video description, and don't forget your gas and electric attachments as well. That way you can unlock the full multi-fuel setup. Let's get back to this pizza. All right, so now we're gonna start loading our firebox, and we're gonna take some pellets and we're gonna add them right here to the bottom. Typically kind of like to cover the bottom. I'm gonna take some fire starters. I like to kind of get it down inside of the pellets, and we're gonna take some more pellets and just kind of cover it up just a little bit to help start that fire. So now we're gonna light our fire starter. Man, that wind is kind of windy. I'm gonna take this inside and light it real quick and bring it back out. Hey, that wind is really, really blowing, guys. I'm gonna try to go ahead and put this inside here, and we wanna lift the shaft up. We're gonna stick it in there. We're gonna open this shaft, and I'm gonna take the door off the front because we wanna make sure that we get enough airflow to light those pellets, all right? Once you notice that the pellets have lit, you wanna add a couple more pellets down here, down that shaft. So now let's go around to the front of the oven. So now this is what I want you to take a look at. Once I close the shaft to let that fire build, when I take this off, guys, take a look at that fire right there. That's how your pizza is gonna cook, and those wings are gonna cook just like that. So since I don't have a point and shoot thermometer, I'm just gonna gauge the heat. Looks like we're good. This baby is hot. Take a look at that fire. And we're just gonna go ahead and slide our pizza in here. See how it slides off our peeler when you sprinkle it with cornmeal? So we're gonna go ahead and close this up. And we're gonna cook this pizza for 90 seconds. As you can see right here, on this side right here, it's cooking a little bit faster over here because it's closer to the fire. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna spin this baby around like this, slide it back in here for an additional 30 seconds, just like that. Close our door and give it another 30 seconds. All right, so after that 30 seconds, we're gonna bring this baby out, take a look at it again. Guys, take a look at that right there. Man, that's a pizza right there. Put our door back on it. We're gonna head over to our kitchen. Guys, take a look at that pizza right there. Man, that baby is looking good. A little dark around that edge right there. We may have kept it in there just a little bit too long, but hey, it's gonna work out. I don't even have a pizza cutter, but you know what? I'm gonna use this. It's gonna work just as well. Oh man, I like my thin crust pizzas like that too. We're not gonna wait till the wings get done to do quality control. We're gonna quality control these pizza, then we're gonna do the wing. All right guys, let's do a quick quality control on this pizza. And this is just the first one, it ain't over. We still got wings to go, man. Take a look at that. Ooh, man. Oh man. You saw that pull? The video ain't even over, but that Bighorn outdoor pizza oven, it done its job on this pizza. Oh man. The pre-made pizza dough works just as well. Oh man. And look at the crunch. Let's get back out here, because we gotta do them wings. All right, let's go. All right, so we're back at our pizza oven. We're gonna remove our door here. We got that fire going back there. All we're gonna do is we're gonna slide our wings here, and we're gonna let these babies cook about 15 to 20 minutes. We're gonna put the door back on. We're gonna check them after about 2 to 3 minutes because we don't wanna burn the top because that's where most of the heat is coming from, but we do want a nice sear on the top. All right, after about a couple minutes, we're gonna remove our door. So they are cooking pretty evenly. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put them back in here. I'm gonna put the door back on. We're gonna cook these for an additional 3 more minutes with the door closed. See if we get a little bit more color on them. All right, so we're 3 minutes in. Let's take a look at our wings again. Look, guys, this is what we want. Take a look at that. Those babies looking good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip them over now. Let them cook on the other side. All right, we're gonna put this back in here and we're gonna allow this to finish cooking for the remaining 10 minutes. All right, guys, let's take a look at our wings now. Guys, take a look at those wings. These babies are ready. Let's head in the kitchen, take a final look, get them sauced up, and jump into quality control. All right, so take a look at what we got. Look at that. And I like that little char on my wings. That's why I left mine in there a little bit long. I like that char on it. I'm gonna sauce these babies right here in this pan with some of our Frank's red buffalo sauce, not the hot sauce. And we're just gonna mix these babies up just like this. And guys, remember, this is about the pizza oven, not actually really the technique of cooking wings. So we can sauce these babies in this pan just like this, and we're getting the same effect. Take a look at that baby right there. Oh man, look at that, that baby hot too. All right, so let's get these babies plated up along with the pizza, and we're gonna jump into quality control with these wings. There you have it, guys. Pizza and wings using our Bighorn 12-inch multi-fuel pizza oven. Let me know what you think about this in the comment section below. We're gonna go ahead and jump into quality control because it's time to do a taste test of the wings. And you know what? I'm gonna try some more of that pizza again too. All right, guys, it's quality control time, and we're gonna bring these groceries to the front of the congregation. Oh man, look at them wings, man. I'm ready to get on these wings. I already know what the pizza tastes like. Let's get one of these wings. Oh man. The wings good in that pizza oven, man. Listen, that buffalo sauce, oh man, this what you want. Oh man. Let me sit this down over here, cause I need to talk to y'all. Guys, I don't know if you saw what I just saw, but what I just seen was the Bighorn's 12-inch multi-fuel pizza oven. Cook us some delicious pizza and some amazing wings. I've always wanted a pizza oven, and listen, this product is a game changer. I'm gonna leave a link in the video description. I want you to go over there to Bighorn's, check it out, and listen to this. Bighorn's brand day is live May 9th through May 12th. And guess what? They're offering their deepest discount since Black Friday, plus a giveaway. So you only have 4 days, link in the video description. Go grab yours before they're all gone. I'm telling you, you won't regret this one here. So guys, remember, y'all already know who I am. This is All Wings Everything, and remember, him not a chef, him just cook a lot, and I'm out. Peace.